Dude, are your clothes almost done?
Yeah, bro, I have a timer set. Bro,
What?
what did you put in here?
Nothing, dude.
No, seriously, what is this? Is this like your Halloween costume?
I don't have anything in there. I'm just waiting on you to get your stuff.
It's open.
You left something in here. Dude, you can't just put shoes in the washing machine. Or boots.
Those are not mine, bro.
So you just left them in there?
Whatever. I'm sorry.
No wonder the tumble cycle was so loud.
Good yacht.
What is that smell? Did you put fireworks in your pockets?
Did you buy a gun?
No, that's not
Bro,
mine. Where did that come?
You don't wash a gun.
Wait, there's more in there.
Are you trying to wash a gun with my clothes?
Wait, what is this?
How'd you pass the background check?
Oh,
Bro, how many times do I have to tell you our machine doesn't take
Wait.
quarters?
since when do you cosplay?
I don't cosplay. That's not mine. Stop. This isn't funny, okay? That's not mine. Stop touching my laundry.
It's okay. Don't be embarrassed. I'll give it back. Is that your pirate costume?
Yeah, it's my pirate.
Well. Howdy, partner.
Those are not my socks.
Why the long faces?
Who are you?
The owner of a nice pair of boots. Now, have you seen them?
Oh, those are your boots?
Dropped them down my wash bucket.
Your wash bucket?
Wait, is this your shirt too?
No, sir. Y'all gave me back my bandana, but you tried to keep my boots.
SMH, dude.
Well, butter me and call me a biscuit. Thank you, Sonny.
Sure, bro.
Wait, but where are you going?
Well, I ought to be getting home now. Y'all just hit tumble dry.
Go ahead, bro. Tumble dry.
That's you, dude. Go ahead.
It's always me, bro. Thank God that is over.
What's over?
Is that?
President Washington?
Lieutenant Colonel George Washington. I don't know what a president is. Have you seen my gun? Yes, that's it. Ha.
Let me guess. Wash bucket?
I see you're wearing my shirt. It looks good on you. Would you mind giving me a hand, please? Faster, lads! We're trying! We've all got places to go!
Get in there, sir!
Let's tumble dry these red coats! Care to join me? We can use all the help we can get!
How are we gonna get home?
Bro.
No, we can't get home. Bro. What are we gonna do? Dude, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, and if I can't play, what do I do?
You just you turn over.
It's up to you, George.
So.
Nope.
You gotta go
That needs to-
down in
Yeah. So this you can
sequential
put a
order.
4 there.
If you can't do anything, you just go. But make sure you draw.
You ever won like a duel or anything?
My buddy. It didn't end well.
You had to kill your buddy?
Mm-hmm.
Bro.
Me too, bro. That's happened to me.
No.
You can go. Oh wait.
If it was red, you could have put it there.
So how do you put it in the corners?
Kings go in the corner. The game's called King's Corner, Mr. President.
What's a president?
Do I still have to? Oh,
Yeah, don't. It's okay. Just keep playing.
just. It's my turn now.
Yeah, yeah.
The king,
He doesn't-
like King
That's fine.
George, the tyrant King George.
Have you ever? No, is Hamilton your?